The coolest part of the product is what's on the inside, because I kind of feel like they really put so much thought and creativity into creating this product. This is their face wash, and you see it comes with a brush already. So all you gotta do is press the top here and it's gonna foam out on the brush, and you can just wash your face. It's so easy. The cool part is always on the inside. So this is their face cream. You see there's a hole in the middle, so this is actually for you to pump. So just one press and the cream comes out just like that. And especially for women with long nails, I hate it so much when I have long nails and I have to apply my cream. The cream goes underneath your nails, and with this it would never happen. And just one pump, all of this is enough for you to apply on your whole face. So the last product that I have here with me is their face serum. So you can see that they have a cap here with it, which is so important, especially when you're traveling and you're putting your face serum in the pouch or in the bag. You don't want it spilling off. This is a